Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on TRB, which has gone absolutely ballistic. Yesterday, I made a video on it here when we were at around $50. What I said in the video is that we would probably we would get up to like 54, 55, and then from there we'd see again. If we barely found any support, then we'd probably also get up to 60 and 62. In the end, we spiked all the way up to $67, which was the top of this key level right here, which is a key level based on historic price targets. Here you can see. So yeah, very, very bullish. I would say that there's potential for some sort of a turnaround, some sort of a reversal here. But we'll talk about that, all right? We'll talk about all of that. Before we dive into that, I do want to briefly remind you that I have my own premium trading group in which we talk about TRB a lot right now. So if you want to know when I'm shorting, what other people think about it in the chat room full of traders, consider joining that and you will find out. But in this video, we'll talk about it as well. Currently, when talking about TRB, it's still like it's still massively bullish. Like there are some bearish confirmations, like the open interest started dropping down after yesterday evening. So that was actually before this, all right? That was around this candle right here, around $55 and $58. So even when the open interest, right here, it actually peaked. So here it shot up towards $67. So even though the open interest dropped down, still was very bullish. Now we're seeing the volume also drop down a little bit. Like it's consolidating now. It's been consolidating for the last like 6-7 hours, which is quite worrying. Purely technically, we hit a major resistance level again, but $50 and $55 also was major. So how much does that really tell us? I don't know. The funding rates right now are still massive. So there's still a big incentive to just go long. Here on Bybit, they're still minus 2%. On OKX and Binance, they'll actually turn a little bit lower. So I'm not sure why they're still so high on Bybit. But because, I mean, TRB is not even tradable on spot on Bybit. So I'm not sure whether they derive this percentage. But yeah, so there's still a lot of incentive to long. I would say when we're really zooming in, what happened now with this drop is that we hit a major significant resistance level and we dropped down below a major support level. All right, so there's actually bearish confirmation here. And now with the open interest and the volume dropping down as well, I would say there is quite a bit of bearish confirmation, but in the end, for now, we just have to wait. All right, and in my eyes, what we have to wait for further direction is either a bearish breakout below $50 or a bullish breakout above $55. All right, that's the main thing. If TRB breaks above $55 again right now, then it will probably rally all the way up to $66 with the potential of going all the way to $75, which would be crazy. But it's possible. It's really possible if it gets that bullish breakout, or which I'm leaning towards, all right, because at some point of time TRB has to fall. Whether that's right now, nobody knows. But or we'll break down below $50 and then we'll drop down towards $42 and $40. And from there we'll see again, because that is again a major support level. All right, so that's what we're waiting for right now. I'd say it's 50-50 in terms of percentages. Maybe 55-45, a little bit of a higher chance that will fall because of the dropping open interest volume and the bearish confirmation here. But we'll see, all right? And apart from that, to end this video, I do want to say that if you are not an experienced trader, stay away. Stay away from TRB. Don't trade it, all right? Because you will lose money shorting right now, and you could also lose money going long because of what I said with the open interest and the bearish confirmations. So that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.